The HyperX Cloud 2 headset's earpads are designed for easy replacement due to wear and tear. First, power off and disconnect your headset. Locate the ear cups, which are secured by screws under the headband hinge. Use a Phillips screwdriver size number 1 or number 2 to remove the 2 screws on each side. Gently detach the ear cup from the headband. The old pads are attached with plastic clips or adhesive. Carefully pry them off using a flat, non-metallic tool like a credit card, working around the edges to avoid breaking the plastic clips. Ensure the clips are released evenly to prevent damage. Clean the ear cup surface with a dry cloth to remove any residue before installing the new pads. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws to avoid stripping them. Begin by aligning the clips on the new ear pads with the corresponding slots on the ear cup. Snap the clips into place, ensuring a snug and even fit around the entire perimeter of the ear cup. Uneven fitting can lead to audio leaks and discomfort. Once the new pad is securely attached, reattach the ear cup to the headband. Align the screw holes and reinsert the screws, tightening them just enough to secure the ear cup without over-tightening. Plug in the headset and test the fit, comfort, and sound quality. Check for a proper seal around your ear to ensure optimal noise isolation and audio performance. If everything is satisfactory, your HyperX Cloud 2 headset is now ready for use with its newly installed ear pads.